Personality types. Have you ever been watching a movie and thought the Hulk is not going to like that? This guess about how the story will go means that you have noticed patterns in how characters act. Reading and watching movies can help us to get to know people, so life is more fun and interesting. Today, we will look at a way that real psychologists explain how different types of people think. Chunk into pieces. Glossary. Introverts tend to think first for a while before they make a comment, are tired after social interaction, need to be alone to refresh their spirits. Extroverts think aloud with other people, are energized by social interaction. Ambiverts, both introverts and extroverts. A little of both. Chew on it. Overview of the types. Understanding the Myers-Briggs type indicator assessment and Myers-Briggs personality types explained. So it goes into more depth. And then this is sort of a fun take on it. Avengers as they act out their personality type. Nick Fury. ENTJ, leader, director, conviction, impatient. A character from your choice book. Start thinking about maybe which character they are the most like, or if you think they're an introvert or an extrovert. My choice book character is more introverted or extroverted. This is what you answer in the post. Bonus video for review with K-dramas. Have a great time with this.